Hi there, my name is Marijn Overvest and I'm the founder of Procurement Tactics. Welcome to this video where I will explain you in more detail what our Procurement Bootcamps are. Procurement Bootcamps are skill-building programs that combine teamwork and targeted learning that will enable your team members to be outstanding. Take, for example, our ChatGPT and AI Procurement Bootcamp. Within this bootcamp, participants will learn how to increase productivity using AI throughout all their work and procurement activities. Team members will learn how AI can help the procurement process, how to harness ChatGPT in negotiations, and see the many use cases of ChatGPT and AI in daily procurement activities. How are our bootcamps designed? Let me guide you through. The first step of our bootcamp is the team kickoff. Participants receive practical information to make them better equipped to start. Here, your team members align their objectives, set clear expectations, and build a foundation for understanding ChatGPT and AI in procurement. The second step is self-paced learning. Team members engage with our online course material at their own pace and will learn everything that involves the advantages of using ChatGPT and AI in procurement. The third step is a team workshop. An interactive stage in the bootcamp, Demo Day, is when participants are given the space to present their projects and where they showcase ChatGPT and AI knowledge to real-world concepts. What makes a bootcamp different versus online courses? First, bootcamps focus on applying knowledge. Through our Tell, Show, Do, Apply method, combined with group learning, learners can immediately translate into practice what they now understand about ChatGPT and AI in procurement. Second, community and teamwork are always present, encouraging healthy collaboration and engagement later on. Third, bootcamps center high engagement with clear objectives and group work that bring better accountability and results. Lastly, the targeted nature of bootcamps drives clear impact and return on investment, leading to better deals for your team overall. We are committed to educating and empowering procurement professionals from around the world through self-paced courses and engaging team workshops. Our training programs blend specific expertise with indispensable business capabilities. Are you ready to shape the future of procurement together? We are, and we are looking forward to helping you and your team.